Now I am pleased to invite Professor Yusuf BARAN, Director of Izmir Institute of Technology, for his speech. Floor is yours, Professor BARAN.
Thank you for your very kind invitation. Honorable President of TÜBİTAK, esteemed scientists, dear participants, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, good night, because I know that we have many valuable scientists from around the world. It's a real pleasure for us to be one of the hosts of this important event. Like any human activity, all energy sources have an impact on our environment. Renewable energy is no exception to the rule, and each source has its own trade-offs. However, the advantage of renewable energy sources over the devastating impacts of fossil fuels are undeniable. From the reduction of water and land use, less air and water pollution, less wildlife and habitat losses, to no or lower greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy can play an important role in Turkey's energy security and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Using renewable energy can help reduce energy imports and reduce fossil fuel use, which is the largest source of Turkey's carbon dioxide emissions. Carbon dioxide emissions from fossil fuel-based power plants are becoming a great issue globally due to their influence on the climate. Countries are developing strategies to reduce emissions by adopting the energy mix. Geothermal energy is making tremendous progress in all countries due to its positive impact on the environment. I am pleased and proud to say that our institute, Izmir Institute of Technology, is an ecosystem that can set a good example in terms of renewable energy. Building our whole education and research infrastructure on the notion of sustainability and renewable energy that affect multiple areas of life, we have a 15 megawatt solar power plant on our campus. In addition, our campus is located on a geothermal field. We currently have a bath from the Roman period, and we have been working with the Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources for heating and cooling our campus by using this geothermal fluid. Our Geothermal Research Center, which is approved by the Higher Education Council and approved as an excellence center by UNESCO and the World Academy of Sciences, has been working in different parts of Turkey to improve direct use of geothermal energy, such as lithium extraction and greenhouse applications. It's clear that increasing renewable energy resources is extremely important for our country, as well as the whole world, and the development of resources such as geothermal energy is especially important for rural development. I believe that this workshop will greatly contribute to this development, and I extend my thanks to TÜBİTAK for organizing such an important international event, and to the scientists who contribute to today's workshop with their expertise. Thanking you all for your very kind attention, and I wish a successful and very fruitful meeting for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.